Hey everyone, it's Scott from DVC-Rental.com and buyandselldvc.com. Today, we're at Disney's Bay Lake Tower in a 2-bedroom theme park view. So this room has 2 bedrooms, 3 baths. The first thing you see is the one common bath area. Hello. Again, nice full shower and tub. Very nicely done. There's washer and dryer. All 1-bedrooms and larger on Disney property have washers and dryers. Oh, there's some monorails going by outside the window. Can't see it. It's a nice sitting area. You have a full kitchen, stainless steel appliances. Nice island in the middle. You have a pull-out couch, which is a queen-size bed. Again, this is a theme park view. There's 2 balconies, but I'll show you. Get these nice big windows. Go out and overlook the park. Really nice at night. Also with fireworks, it's very nice. And here's Contemporary, which it's attached to. Grand Floridian's right back there in the background. Way over there's Polly. See what I'm pointing here. Where there's Polynesian. Pull-out sleeper chair. Again, this room sleeps 9. Access to the balconies out here on one side. Big TV, it's like 65-inch. Lots of storage in this room. You've got storage right under there. You've got storage on the little ottoman. Heck, if you want, there's actually even storage underneath the tables. But again, nice seating area over here. Let's go hit the first bedroom. First bedroom has the king-size bed in it. Plenty of storage again. Nice bed. Again, you've got access. You can close this if you want. This slides over, so you've got access to the bathroom. Nice soak-in tub. I've not gone on the balcony yet. Again, this is one of 2 balconies. So you've got 2 chairs out here and a little table. Again, fantastic views of everything. I mean, you have the parking lot, which is not wonderful, but I mean, again, you have Space Mountain, Tron's over there, Castle. Back there, if you can see it, is, there's Splash Mountain. There's a monorail going in the background. It's gonna go right past here into the Contemporary. Let's go back inside. I love the view in this room. And again, it's about a, let's say 7-minute walk over to Magic Kingdom. So best access on property for getting to Magic Kingdom by far. Let's hit this bathroom. Nice bathroom, plenty of storage underneath. Again, you've got the soak-in tub with jets. Regular toilet. And stand-up spa-style shower with regular shower head and a rainfall shower head that you can choose from. It does have a bench in there as well for those who may want one. All right, let's head out of here and head back on over. Oh, I should mention in this bedroom, there is also plenty of closet room. Comes with a safe, ironing board, iron. So this room has a lot of storage space. Sometimes I feel like they don't. This room does. Again, washer and dryer is right here. And it comes with some stuff to do a couple loads. But not too much more. If you need more, you can always get it, buy it. Got another closet here that currently has my suitcases and stuff in it. Now this is the second bedroom. Actually, we'll go right here. Goes right in another bathroom. Hello again. Same as before. Everything has nice granite countertops. Full bed. You know, this one has regular shower, not spa style. So this one does have a tub in it. Again, very nice. Very pretty tile work, a little mosaic in there. Another closet in this room. Again, under the TV, more storage space, a little desk to work at, and next to the TV, drawer with more storage space. This room has 2 queen beds. There's no storage underneath the beds. But again, there's so much storage in this room, you really don't need it. And again, your own private balcony. This does not go across. So this will end right over here. Then there's right on this side of the wall is the living room with those big windows. Then the other side is the second balcony that I showed before. 2 balconies, each has 2 chairs and a little table to use. But really, really great room. I love Bay Lake Tower, especially in the theme park view rooms. It's, again, definitely the best location if you're looking to go to Magic Kingdom. On the monorail, walking to Magic Kingdom. But, oh, there's the monorail going by. It's so bright. Get in there. Focus. There it is. There's the monorail. So, again, if you're thinking of going to Disney, check out our rental company, DVC-Rental. Put in the dash to save the cash. We're typically about 40% cheaper than Disney for the same exact rooms. Or if you're thinking of becoming a Disney Vacation Club member, check out our resale company, buyandselldvc.com. Again, when DVC members don't want their contracts anymore, Disney does not help them. So we are a licensed realtor where we sell Disney Vacation Club contracts. That's all we sell. We don't focus on anything else. So there's no other Marriott or Hilton or anything like that. We focus on Disney Vacation Club. That's what we know best. So please reach out to us. We hope you enjoyed the video. Everybody have a wonderful day.